Your fridge is half empty. You're out of ideas. Now, imagine an appliance that doesn't just follow recipes, it creates them. This is the PossibleCooker. They call it the world's first AI-powered kitchen catalyst. For 30 days, I challenged it with random ingredients, dietary restrictions, and my own cooking failures. The meals it invented weren't just edible, some were genius. But the real question is, did it just show me the future of cooking, or is it hiding the one flaw that could change everything? Number 1. Ninja 12-in-1 PossibleCooker. This innovative cooker significantly consolidates your kitchen appliances by replacing a variety of items, such as a slow cooker, food warmer, non-stick pot, sauté pan, cast iron skillet, saucier, saucepan, stock pot, Dutch oven, roasting pan, bread maker, and essential utensils. It simplifies cooking by limiting the number of necessary tools, allowing for a seamless cooking experience. One of the standout features of this cooker is its ability to sear and sauté directly in the pot. Utilizing special bottom heating elements, you can sear proteins like chicken or beef and sauté vegetables right within the cooking pot. This eliminates the need to transfer ingredients to the stovetop, which not only saves time but also reduces the cleanup process. Additionally, the cooking pot is oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, enabling you to put it in the oven to finish off your dishes for that perfect crispy top. This versatility means you can start cooking on the stovetop and seamlessly transition to the oven without worrying about using different pans. Number 2. Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker. Cook multiple recipes simultaneously with our innovative dual-pot multicooker, which features precise temperature control and a variety of cooking functions including slow cook, sear, sauté, bake, rice, steam, and keep warm. This versatile appliance ensures that you can prepare different dishes at the same time without compromising on quality or taste. Our revolutionary smart timer, powered by dual sync technology, allows you to coordinate your cooking perfectly, ensuring that both dishes are ready to serve at the same moment. This eliminates the guesswork traditionally associated with multi-course meals, making meal preparation more efficient and enjoyable. With the ability to replace over 30 cooking tools and appliances, this multicooker and programmable slow cooker allows you to create complete meals without having to use multiple stock pots, cooking pans, Dutch ovens, steamers, or food warmers. This not only saves you space in your kitchen but also reduces cleanup time, making it an essential addition to any home cook's arsenal. Number 3. Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Pro. The versatile cooker offers multiple cooking functions such as slow cook, sear, sauté, steam, bake, roast, sous vide, braise, simmer, fondue, and keep warm, making it an all-in-one solution for various culinary tasks. With an XL 8.5 QT capacity, it is perfect for preparing large meals such as casseroles, roasts, soups, pasta dishes, stews, and other generous one-pot meals, ensuring there's enough food to serve the entire family comfortably. The cooker features smart temperature control, which means it has built-in cooking intelligence that actively monitors and adjusts the heat to maintain consistent cooking results across all functional settings. This ensures that your dishes are cooked perfectly every time, making the cooking process easier and more reliable. For added convenience, the sear and sauté function allows users to brown or sauté ingredients directly on the stovetop using the same pot before transitioning to slow cooking, eliminating the need for additional pans and minimizing cleanup time. Number 4. Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker. With an impressive 8.5 quart capacity, this versatile appliance allows you to prepare meals for gatherings of up to 20 people, making it ideal for family events, parties, or meal prepping for the week ahead. Triple fusion heat technology. This innovative cooking technology ensures that your meals are cooked up to 30% faster than traditional ovens. By evenly distributing heat and optimizing cooking time, you can enjoy your favorite dishes in a fraction of the time. Versatile 8-in-1 functionality is key with this kitchen appliance, which replaces 14 common cooking utensils. Whether you're slow cooking, searing, baking, braising, keeping your food warm, or steaming, this all-in-one device saves valuable counter space and reduces the need for multiple gadgets, ultimately saving you money. Number 5. Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Pro. Triple fusion heat technology. Cook up to 30% faster than conventional ovens by combining bottom, side, and steam heat. More heat, more possibilities. Tested on 6-pound chickens. Meet the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker 8.5 quart, MC 1000 WM, the versatile 8-in-1 cooker that makes anything possible. This go-to cooker can replace 10 cooking tools and appliances, offering cooker-to-oven-to-table functionality. Cook up to 30% faster than a conventional oven with triple fusion heat, which combines bottom, side, and steam heating elements to unlock even more cooking options. If you're ready to turn your kitchen into a culinary lab where every odd ingredient becomes a possibility, the future is now. To explore the PossibleCooker and see how it can reinvent your meals, all purchase links and exclusive demo access are in the video description below. If this glimpse into AI-powered cooking blew your mind, fuel the algorithm, hit like, share this with someone who needs kitchen inspiration, and subscribe ** for more reviews of appliances that aren't just smart, they are creative. Your next favorite meal might not have a name yet.